right, today Chad and I are going to be checking out and test driving this special edition 1981 Trans Am, T-top, beautiful interior, awesome car.
Yeah, low mileage car too. I mean, just a real nice survivor. If you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com, these floor pans, Dalton, are 100% rust free as far as I can tell on them. Just super, super clean car, and drives as nice as it looks.
It really does.
Kind of a unique color. The restorer chose to do it kind of in a black cherry, and as you go down along the car, it's got that purple hue all the way down. It just gets a little darker and darker. So really cool, unique car. As we go underneath the hood, it's got factory smog, cruise control, power disc brakes, power steering, air conditioning, and everything works as far as I know, guys. The air blows cold on it, the heater works great.
We're gonna need that heater today.
Yes, we are. It's got the shaker hood. The bottom of the hood is just beautiful. Like I said, the metal on this car is outstanding. If you're looking for a really nice, solid car to make an, you know, even if you decide you want to paint it down the road. I mean, you got a rust-free car, straight car, T-top car.
It's cool to see it, you know, so on the left under the hood. A lot of times with 81 Trans Ams, you know, because people didn't like all the technology computers when they yanked them out, you know, threw a different motor in there, kind of beat them up.
Yeah, this is
find a original low mile like this. It's really neat.
It's really cool. It is definitely a cool car. Looks like the booster and stuff. I mean, everything's just super clean on the car. Wiring. You know, when you get a 60-some thousand mile car, I mean, that's been a well taken care of car that's sat a lot. Our hood gap is just as good as you're going to find one from front to back. Lines up very nice across the top of the hood. Both sides are the same way. I don't know if the hood's ever been off the car. I mean, that's the cool thing about this car with low miles like this. Front nose is really nice. That's not all cracked up, just like most of them. That's really clean. Again, how I would call the color is a black to a black cherry to a purple hue along the bottom.
Yeah.
It's a custom paint. And
you won't see another one at a car show. That's
no, you definitely won't. Another thing I really like about this is the rear slats. You know, you don't see many Trans Ams with these, and I really like it, especially with the T-tops. It's got the correct dual exhaust. Look at the bottom, all the plastic here in the front fender is excellent. No bubbles or blisters anywhere in the lower door. I mean, just super clean down there. Tires are in excellent shape. You got excellent tread on the tires.
You know, a few little chips.
Yeah. It's definitely one that's been, it's got the limited edition stickers there. It's got the 4-wheel disc brakes, the excellent dual exhaust. This is a really great car. We have it priced at $26,995. It's a sale price. Again, you can do anything you want with this car. Rock solid, laser straight, mint interior. Wait till we get to the interior, Dalton. You just don't see it like this every day, and you definitely can tell everything's original on it. These are still original. They're not busted like all of them. Dome light works. T-tops are in great shape. It's got the chocolate brown dash in it with the tan cloth interior, and the dash and steering wheel and stuff is immaculate. The back door panels are like brand new. The plastic's not even all wore off. Seats are great. Carpet's original. It's got power locks, power windows. In the corner of the door is rust-free. What a survivor. If you don't like this is a Trans Am thing. It's fit perfect for it, but it's not glued down or nothing like that. It'll come right off. AM, FM stereo. Inside the trunk, we won't get in there right now, but inside the trunk's immaculate as well. Very nice. Trunk lid fits excellent. Spoiler fits nice.
A few little, you know, like your normal little stress cracks there on that.
That little spider webbing right there, isn't it? I mean, for a black car, I mean, this thing's laser straight. This is a car you can give, you know, your teenage kid. I mean, whatever. This is a car that's ready to go, and it's highly equipped with modern technology with the T-tops and air and cruise. The last Trans Am like this was a low mileage car that we had. We did sell to a 17, 18-year-old. I mean, that was his first car. So, yeah. And this one's got the shaker, which a lot of them didn't have the shaker. So that's a nice option. A lot of people like that. All along the bottom of the car, again, super clean and solid. During the paint job, it looks like they maybe did some new rubbers. All the factory stickers are still here. Door panels are immaculate, they're like brand new. Got the remote mirror. Tilt wheel, cruise control, clock works. The seats are 100% original. The only flaw anywhere in the seats is got these 4 little tiny little cracks here, and that's just on the little cord. I figured you were ready to get inside, D.
Yeah.
All right, so oil pressure. We got 40 pounds oil pressure. Sitting here at an idle. Our temperature gauge is sitting at about 140. The clock works, tach works, running about 1,000 RPM. 68,604 original miles. Quiet those wipers are. You can't even hear them go. Isn't it a sweet car?
Power windows work great too.
Yep, it's got rear defrost. One thing I noticed, I don't think the power locks work. You know, they try to, don't they? Does yours work at all?
Radio works.
Yeah, nice. Original AM/FM radio. Look at here. This is original still, Dalton. I mean, it's like brand new. I mean, no one abused this car at all.
Even the dash, look at the dash, it's not cracked, it's not beat up like so many.
Yeah, the dash is perfect. Power windows both work nice. Turn over to you.
Comes off high idle there.
Just came off high idle.
That's why I left it run. It's kind of cold. Figured to let it warm up a little bit before
It's very cold. Heck with the air, we don't need that today. Heater works, so we're gonna keep that going. Like I said, whoever gets this car is going to be super happy with it. The steering column, you know how so many times, Dalton, these steering columns get all beat up with keys and stuff, and the steering wheel gets sticky and all that. I mean, it's like you just step back into 1981.
Yeah.
Seats are comfortable, pads are nice. Shifter, look at this, how nice and tight that is. And our button and spring isn't broke.
That's one thing I noticed too, right when I pulled it out, is the shifter goes into gear smooth. Yeah.
Just so tight. How about the little small block with a lot of get up, huh?
Yeah, absolutely.
And here's our stopping. We got 4-wheel disc brakes, they're power. Stops nice and straight. The clocks never work in these cars. That really tells you the quality.
Yeah, no one ever restores them either, you know, for the most part, unless you're doing a real high-end, you know, car. Most time people don't ever mess with the clock.
Got done with this tune-up. This thing really runs nice for a 301. It doesn't. That's 70 mile an hour right there. I know we had one guy asking about our gears and stuff, so
yeah, what are we doing for RPM?
65 mile an hour. We're running about 3,000 RPMs.
For T-tops, it seals up real nice. You can whisper in here.
It's absolutely crazy. You know, we just got done driving that Challenger a little bit earlier, and that I thought was pretty quiet. But you know, we had to talk a little louder on that. But doing 65, 70 mile an hour, this thing goes down the road awesome. A special edition with the 4-wheel disc brakes, and the steering wheel doesn't move an ounce. I mean, look at those brakes. Like I said before, you cannot restore a car. We say this all the time. You cannot restore a car anywhere close to a factory like this. I mean, they're never going to drive as good as just a low mileage classic.
Exactly. You can always tell the difference.
Steering, I mean, there's no noise in that steering when you turn it, just nothing.
Yeah. This is a real special car. You can find it on our website, coyoteclassics.com.
$26,995 is our sale price. We think it's a great price for a great T-top, well-equipped car.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Check out the website and give us a call.